What's up? Why I have a box, an empty box with me? I'm glad you asked.
In the last few weeks I've been thinking about traveling a lot. I've been thinking about the career I want to create on YouTube. Become an influencer, master filming and editing, publish the book I've been writing for the last 10 years, and travel the world, the whole world. And every time I watch a video from Blanc, mckinnon, neistat, I know what I want to do in life. And unfortunately I know it's not a finger-snapping game. I know it will take time, a long time. And every time I hear people saying, did you make it on YouTube yet? It doesn't take one day, it doesn't take 1 week, and it probably doesn't take 1 month or 1 year either. And as I said to my friend a few weeks ago, I will probably keep doing this for free. That's what I'm passionate about, that's what I love to do. Even if it doesn't work in 1 year, I will keep doing this because it makes me happy. A few weeks ago I read something Picasso said and I loved it. Learn the rules like a pro so you can break them like an artist. How cool is that? And then, after deciding what I want to do for the next 5 years of my life, probably the rest of my life, but let's go with baby steps. I asked myself, what's the plan? I want to give away everything that is not essential and is not gonna be useful to the plan, while maintaining a certain degree of style while I'm working on it. And the plan starts with buying a 4-wheel drive car, leave Perth and attend a 10 days Vipassana silent meditation retreat. Then keep driving north, then keep traveling more north. Stop wherever and whenever something catches my attention. Visit Thursday Island on a Saturday. And then finally stop in Byron Bay. And once there, learn and practice yoga, learn how to surf, how to play a didgeridoo, and how to throw a boomerang correctly, with the boomerang coming back. I own too much stuff, too much useless stuff.
And I'm not talking about books. You can never own too many books because books come with a purpose, either to take you to places or to serve as tools or blueprints to learn new things or to rewire your brain. You can never own too many books. I own way too many t-shirts. There were 34 last time I counted. Way too many trousers. A lot of shirts and few jackets that I love, but I just few weeks a year. I have the backpacks and more backpacks and more backpacks, the bags and more bags and even more bags. And on top of all these, pun intended, there are the shoes and more shoes and more shoes and even more shoes and some casual shoes as well. And it's not even everything, because on top of all this stuff I have my photographic gears and few different things that I bought and I never use. Imagine you want to travel the world with all this stuff on your backpack for, let's say, 12 months. How can you do that? And that's why I have a box. And the box is the idea of getting rid of the superfluous, the not essential stuff, the things that you don't really need and you invest money and time in. Because I decided to choose experiences, learn new skills, meeting a lot of new people and seeing the world over owning things, a lot of things that I don't need. That's the direction where I want to take my channel. Me, a backpack and the essential, including my photographic gears. Like a turtle, but with a camera. The only thing you can do to help me now is to subscribe, so we can venture the world together and I can show you everything that is gonna come after this, after the box. I'm gonna get rid of all these, put the not essential stuff in a box, and I'll see you in the next video.